now, it's all prophecy. Listen to this, you got to see. Hey, hey, it's all prophecy. Everything that's happening now is all prophecy. Earthquakes, that sea clouds, it's all prophecy. New world orders in town, it's all prophecy. Soon Babylon be going down, though it's prophecy. Feel time ready. Come and say them don't really care if the youth and I'm not supposed to eat. Them don't really care if them are shoes and feet. Them don't care. We see the youth across the streets and look at money always full of kids. And them don't really care if the youth and I'm no place to go. Come and get in the dark, them sell away the soul. I know the rest of you still have to pay the soul. So swallow it. Hear me and say no. The government, them never do a thing for you. Them never be in a folk, all them do a thing for you. Them in the university, no one of it for you. The rich man is innocent and the poor man is the wife. Mr. Politician, please answer me this. Find the opportunities for a free man with a gift no exist. They want to be seen and feel the clip when I'm dealing in the all I see is the hypocrisy now. Hey, and the media so lie. Shut up like them have an encyclopedia to write. Them give with the machine and then they leave with your avoid. For feeding and we greed the appetite. Like cheese in the style. We just a try to reach up to the sky. We're not a time for wait upon the deep in the night. Just teach you to read and know be right. Increase and not divide. Kind of them speeches I see them not really care if they use them not no food to be. Give thanks and praise. Yeah. You know what I mean? But this is what we do the music for, to spread messages, you know what I mean? So I'm glad today them can really listen to the lyrics and check what I want. Because enough of them out there, them not say nothing. But listen to the radio, them not say nothing. Though, I like me I said. So we have to talk some things. You don't know that song, yeah? This one is for my empress. Then I got my eyes on you, my daughter. And if you find us watching, here I'm at the know. This love thing kinda new, but I'm into it. When me looking at my heart, I'm into it. And see that it have a thing to it, but I never been to it. Me you want to bring to it, me give thanks for that. I'ma never bring no fancy chat. Them other boy they unanswer that. And I you me a plan for love. I'm not gonna keep it here. With nobody figure creeping here. Your house them sleeping here. Take a seat in your easy chair. Make me reason about metaphysics and easy fear. Never preach it no. Never once see me sneaking out and speaking out. Cause I got a lot on my mind. And the usual pattern of mine is just a one night stand then I'm back on the grind. But you are top of the line, I'm telling you now, yeah. Cause if I alone you're born, then I got my eyes on you, my daughter. And if you find us watching me, then you can try this one with me, baby. Cause if I alone you're born, then I got my eyes on you. I think that music came from my heart, you know. Someone needs to know for chat to woman. I love how you curve and your shape so good. With the fire on side you be taking wood. For the sake of the greater good. Bless the Lord. Yeah, we give thanks for the strength, you know. So, you are at Skibber Avenue. This is the Bebble Rock headquarters, you know what I mean? I sleep in a room around the back. And then, in order to reach outside, I have to walk through the studio. So, we live in the studio. We're there. It's a family yard, you know what I mean? And we make music, we put it out. The music reach out there. So we give thanks for the strength. We give thanks for my management team for helping to get the music out there. We got to Europe the other day, and I was blessed with the opportunity to shoot a video with a beautiful singer named Sarah Luga. She's not here tonight, but we're there with One Drop Fruit. So I could run some music now, international music, you know what I mean? Oneness, you know? Step on the journey. I'm Mr. No, yeah. It's a long road to travel. Kabaka pyramid and one job here now, hey. Riding on a high and windy day. It was a high and windy day. Deep in the month of May. No, yeah. Riding on a high and windy day. No, we were riding so high. Riding my troubles away. Said I was riding on the highway with my queen beside me, watching all my struggles and my troubles pass by me. The things that on my mind every day is like a Friday. Give thanks for everything the most I provide me. Got to stay grounded even when I got to fly away. Got some heavy plans, some stress kind of light when the world is a cycle. Everything I vibrate. Got some evolution from minerals to primates is what's on my mind when I'm cruising through. Reading a book called the Rubik's Cube, yeah. Starting my puzzles like a Rubik's Cube. Till that place of divinity I'm moving to, and I'm moving through like a soldier. Any obstacles in my way I push them over. Never gonna fold up like a page in my book of life. It's just another episode of, yeah.
Riding on a high and windy day.
It was a high and windy day.
Deep in the month of May.
Just for life, you know what I mean?
Riding on a high and windy.
So when the sun goes down and the moon comes out, that's when I find a melody, or when the tune comes out. I stay tuned and doubt to my journey and the path. Without the knowledge of the art, then I would certainly be lost. Emerging from the dark, it's the brightest light. The uprising of the youth with the righteous eyes. We'll keep riding high till we reach our destination, giving eyes inside in each and every situation now.
Just the morning, please hold on.
Yeah.
The road is rocky and the road is long.
Yeah, yeah.
All keep singing the same old song.
Yeah, boy.
The story is sad, but the story must go on. So please join in and shake my mind. Read between the lines and see what's behind it all. 'Cause we need to tear down the walls. Riding on a high and windy day.
It was a high and windy day.
Deep in the month of May.
No, yeah.
Riding on a high and windy
And when you go home, you're gonna play the video, yeah.
Riding my trouble